In this video, we will show you how to inflate the Roll and Go lightweight sleeping pad. In the box, you will find the sleeping pad, instruction manual, and repair patch. Before you inflate, make sure to roll out the sleeping pad on a safe floor, free from any obstructions. Make sure that the valve is closed and secure before inflating. Open the cap of the foot pump and take out the rubber stopper. Press and release the foot pump until you have achieved your desired firmness. Insert the rubber stopper back to avoid air leakage and close the cap securely upon completion. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information on this product, click on the link below.